In this tutorial, we will set up our GitHub repository. For my YouTube students, this slideshow is part of a YouTube playlist. A link to the playlist will be listed in the description of this lesson. All source code for this playlist will be available for free in a GitHub repository. These are the high-level steps we will do to get our GitHub repository set up. First, you'll have to join the GitHub website. Then you will create your new repository in GitHub. And finally, we will import and set up the GitHub repository in IntelliJ. First, we'll go to the GitHub join page and we will enter our username, email address, and password and create an account so that we have our own GitHub environment. After we have successfully created our account, we will go to the GitHub new page and create a new repository. We will add a README file. We will add a gitignore file. We will choose the Maven template. We will select a license and create the repository. And now that we've created the repository, we are going to import it into our IntelliJ IDE. So we'll select the code and clone and HTTPS and copy it to the clipboard. Now, here we are in IntelliJ, and we are going to import our new GitHub repository. So we'll select File, New, Project from Version Control. We will paste in the URL from our GitHub repository. Select Clone, select this window, and now we have our new repo set up and imported into IntelliJ. If we go to our Git menu and look at branches, we see we have the local branch of main and the remote branch of main. And that concludes this lesson.